think this is series 4. Or maybe 3. I don't know. But the first one, we have this little guy right here. That one. Let me see if I can get some scissors. Even my scissors are Hello Kitty. Keep, keep, keep. This one's kind of basic, doesn't have a whole lot of stuff to it, but it's super cute. Super cute. Here's our second one. Oh my gosh, that one's so cute. It's little slushies. Look how precious. Let me see. So they're the same little slushy looking guys, little rice slushies. This precious little plate. And they just have them, let's see, they have one flipped upside down. And then one sitting up. Ah! Just kidding. There we go. Let's see. Stop moving.
You were going away from it.
There we go. Super cute. Got little seaweed bands across them. There we go. Okay, so far no duplicates, which is good. Goody goody. This little box over here. Our third one. We almost had a whole box, but a couple, let's see, there was like 3 missing, I think.
Yeah, there were 3 missing.
So we didn't get all of them, but now we can search for the ones that we don't have. Let's see, which one is this? I don't know, it looks like it lays on maybe
Fried rice?
Fried rice, yeah, maybe. There's like a little flag. Let's see here. A little plate. Zoom in on the plate. And here's the little rice. Come on. Come on. And he just sits right there. And then he gets a little flag. Maybe. Yeah. How cute. Boop. Alright. And I guess this series they're not gonna do, like the old series, or the last series had like, whenever they'd have these in there, then you could like flip them over and it would be like a scene, or you could make stuff out of it, but I guess they're not doing that anymore because none of these have had it on there. So that's kind of not cool, but it's okay. Still cute. So here's our fourth one. Just keep making sure there's nothing on these. Yep, nothing on it. Oh, that
Didn't
one's
they do
cute.
all the scenery and everything on like the actual box that all of them came in?
They did, but they also did them on the little magazine that came with it. Here's a bowl of white rice. I really wanted this one. This one's super cute. It even has like the detail of like maybe some soy sauce or something like that maybe. And then the best part, a little Gouda egg. There's little egg whites hanging out.
Little booty.
Little booty. Little Gouda booty. Booty booty. Super cute. Alright, let's see. We got 2 more. And I got these from Hot Topic. Oh my gosh, look how cute. It's like he's being dumped on there. How cute. Oh no, I bet it makes it look like he's being picked up with the chopsticks. How cute. Super cute. Okay, so we have our little bowl here. And look at him. He's gonna get scooped up. Still got the booty back there. I don't really know what it's supposed to be there, but have these little chopsticks. Oh my gosh, look how cute. It's like somebody's going boop boop, picking it up. Oh no, we lost a chopstick. Hold on. There we go. Okay, they kind of poke through on the other side. Cute, cute. That one might be my favorite. Alright, we've got the last one. Then we're gonna have to hunt for whichever ones we don't have. Hopefully this isn't a duplicate. And it's not! It's the toast one! How cute! I'm assuming it's toast. I think it's toast.
Looks like toast.
These are little plates. Yeah, little toasty toast. I don't know if they did as much detail with this one as they usually do, because like the last series would have had little Goudet eyes and mouth on there. So I don't really know. There isn't as much little Goudet places as there was on the last one, but that's okay. Oh, look at him. He's pooped. He's so tired. He's a little booty. Okay, that's the last booty. Is that how they have him? Oh, no, let's see here.
They got like a little edge on there. Maybe he hangs off the toast.
Oh, yeah. Okay, and then this goes underneath there. Look at you. Precious. Bon appetit. Okay, so we got this one. This guy. I really like this one too. That one's really super cute. Oh, he keeps falling. We've got getting picked up. I love these two. They're cute. Alright guys, so we got 6 of them. Let's see which ones we are lacking. So let's see. We've got him. Got him. So we're missing maybe the udon one down here, and then it looks like maybe some tofu. So we've got to hunt for those.
Or omelet.
Or omelet, yeah.
I think it's omelet.
Oh yeah, that would make more sense because he's, you know, an egg. All right, but yeah, we got 6 of them, so we just gotta look for 2 more. So we've got 2 more to get. So check back with us later, and we'll definitely let you guys know if we do find them. And then I'll put them in a cute little case. Like, subscribe, share, and hit that bell for notifications. I'm Buggy.
And I'm Axel.
And this is the Buggy Bunker.